Hey everybody, we are here in Yankee Town, Florida, on the beautiful Nature Coast. And say hi, Eunice.
Hi.
We're going to be having an adventure here, and we're going to be stocking up here at the Food Ranch in Inglis. So anyway, as we travel around and look at nature around here, Eunice will be with me, and we will keep you in the loop of what's going on. Happy trails. All right, we're here shopping in Inglis, Florida. I never knew Mad Dog 2020 made hard seltzer. Unbelievable. We might be in the country now. All right, we're at Bees Marina here in Yankee Town. Beautiful Yankee Town, Florida. Sun's setting over the Gulf over that way. Beautiful Withlacoochee River. A lot of really nice boats out here. Look at that. Could live on that little thing. And there's Eunice. Say hi, Eunice. All right, so awfully pretty out here in the Nature Coast. Yankee Town on the Withlacoochee River. We're at the end of day one here in Yankee Town. Beautiful sunset. See that? There's clouds there. We can't see it go all the way. We'll see you tomorrow.